Let's go back in time, way back to a small town tucked in the hills of West Virginia. In the early 1920s, it's peaceful, quiet. The kind of place where people know each other's names and life moves just a little slower. But in one little house, there lived a girl who was moving much faster than the world around her. Her name was Katherine, and she was, well, let's just say she didn't see numbers the way the rest of us do. For Katherine, numbers weren't scary. They were friends. At just 4 years old, Katherine was already counting everything. The steps on the porch, the stars in the sky. She would look at street signs and do math problems in her head for fun. Most kids play hide and seek. Katherine, she played. Let's add these fractions. By 10 years old, she was already in high school. Yep. While most kids were still learning their times tables, Katherine was diving into algebra and geometry. And when she was just 15, she entered college. People would say,
"She's too young to understand all this math."
but Katherine would just smile and reply.
Math understands me.
Professors couldn't keep up. She asked smart questions. She corrected mistakes on the board. And she always wanted to know more. She once said,
I love to count. Everything.
In college, Katherine studied math, physics, and astronomy subjects where few women, especially Black women, were welcome at the time. But she didn't let that stop her. She wasn't trying to be the first or the best. She just really loved solving problems. And when someone once asked her what she wanted to do with her life, she said,
I'm going to do something great with math.
And guess what? She did. You know, not every hero wears a cape. Some wear glasses. Some carry pencils. And some, like Katherine Johnson, change the world with numbers. But it all started right here with a little girl who counted everything. Who didn't see math as a chore, but as a language? And most of all, who believed she could do anything, even if the world wasn't ready for her yet? So the next time you see numbers on a page, think of Katherine. Maybe math isn't scary. Maybe it's just waiting to become your friend too.